Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Cardano. Almost 4 days ago, I shared this video with you when I was telling you that Cardano has formed a broadening wedge on the weekly time frame chart, and at the same time, it was moving in the down channel as well, and we were expecting a breakout from the down channel within few days. Right now, the price line has broken out this resistance of the down channel on the daily time frame. And in today's video, I want to discuss the next expected targets with you. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you another harmonic pattern that Cardano has formed on the weekly time frame. And this is the bullish harmonic Gartley move on the weekly time frame. At the same time, it has also formed a broadening wedge formation as well. I will show you that move as well. But first, I would like to show you this harmonic move, and we can see that the price line entered the buying zone and it was recovered back. It was moving up after hitting this support that we have at $1. That is a really, very strong support. And I told my members that as per Fibonacci sequence, we can set our sell targets here. That is $2.08 and goes to $2.74. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line has geared up, and now it is above the buying zone, and it has rallied for so far up to $1.56. And I'm expecting that this move will be continued, because at the same time on the weekly time frame, the price line has formed a broadening formation. Here we have the support approximately at $1, and recently price line has tested this support, and here we have the resistance. And you can see every time whenever it is getting bounced by this support, it is forming higher highs. And this is the horizontal support we have here. Right now, the price line is also forming a double bottom at this support. You can see price line moved here and moved up again, and again moved down, tested the support, and right now it is likely to move up. And we also have a very strong support of the 100 simple moving average below this support of broadening wedge formation. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame, then this was the channel that I was showing you in my previous video. This was the resistance of the channel. Right now, the price line has broken out this channel. And let me show you the next expected targets for this channel. Here on the next page, I have placed the same channel. This is the resistance and this is the support. And here we have two major resistance levels above the resistance of this channel. The first resistance will be at $2 and the final resistance will be at $3.05. And here I would like to show you the oscillator. If we want the RSI oscillator on the same daily time frame chart, then here we also have a bullish divergence on this chart, because the price line is forming lower lows. But if we take a look at the RSI, then RSI is forming higher lows. So there is also a bullish divergence, and the price line has broken out this resistance of the down channel with the bullish divergence. Now we can set our sell targets for the immediate short term according to this chart. And by the way, we also have a 200 simple moving average resistance as well, but I'm expecting that we are breaking out with the bullish divergence. Therefore, it can easily break out this resistance as well. However, the stop loss should be there. If we take a look at the recent swing low before this breakout, that is approximately at $1.07. We can also set this level as our stop loss as well. And if we take a look at the targets for this harmonic move that I've already shared with you, we can also follow these targets as well. And the bigger targets which I'm expecting, that is according to this broadening formation. And right now you can see that, for example, if the price line will be moved in this way, then it can even reach or cross $6.30 as well. So this will be the final target. And if the price line breaks this resistance out, then definitely it will turn more bullish. But I'm expecting at least it can form another higher than previous high after this breakout. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.